Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to a Windows 11 machine from a Mac device, and we'll be using RDP. I'm on the Windows 11 machine, and what we need to do here is to make sure that RDP or remote desktop is enabled, and then we'll also need the IP address for this device. Now let's search for remote desktop settings. Right here, by default it's turned off, so you just want to make sure that it's turned on. And then another thing you can do is you can add users that you want to connect to this PC. You can use this option. The other thing we need is the IP address, so we can open the command prompt, and then we'll type in the command ipconfig to see the IP address for this device. So for this device we have 172.16.1.101. Now with this information we'll go to the Mac device and then use an app to connect to this Windows 11 device. So now we are on the Mac device, and we'll continue with the process of connecting from a Mac device to a Windows 11 PC. Let's look at about this Mac. So it's a MacBook Pro. Now what we'll need is an app, like I said, for doing the remote desktop. So let's go to the App Store, and then you'll need to search for Windows app. So it's called Windows app. So once you search for Windows app, you'll see this one here. It says previously remote desktop, so the name changed to Windows app. So you need to get this app right here. I already have it, so all I'm doing here is I'm gonna open it, and this is the app. Now if it's the first time you're using the app, you're not gonna have any connections. I have connections because I've already connected to machines before and I saved the connections. Once you have the app, you'll need to add your connection. So add PC, and then here you'll need to put the host name or the IP address. So we'll put the IP address we got from the Windows 11 device, which was 172.16.1.101. User account, we need to add a username here. So put the username for one of the users configured on the Windows 11 device, and the password for that user. Click add. Now you have the IP address and the username and password. The rest you don't need to make any changes. You can select reconnect if the connection is dropped. Click add. Now it's added. You can click on this and click connect. Continue. And there we are connected. You can resize this. So you can resize the window if you want to. So this is our connection, and at the top here you see it's showing the IP address for this Windows 11 machine. So that's all for this video. That's how we can connect remotely from Mac device to a Windows 11 PC. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.